welcome back to the channel. So we're on day 3 of Snowmageddon. I think it has broken some records here. This will be the last snow video, so those of you that have seen enough snow blowing and don't like snow, don't worry, this will be the last video. The next one will be the bathroom. So the idea today is to clear the snow so we can actually get out should we want to or need to. So it's day 3 of the snowstorm, and hopefully we can get most of it cleared. It's still breezy out there, and I think we've still got some snow, but
the snow that's come off the roof is 6 feet deep.
But the worst of it's over. So let's go out and have a look and see what it looks like. You still having fun?
Yeah, but if you could stop like praying for snow now.
No. This morning's drifts. Okay. Can't see much of the back of the car there. That is insane. It's literally a ridge. I don't know if you can see this. This looks like a fine line over there. Oh dear. Yep. I'm not sure how much weight this rotting deck's gonna take. Morning, Bridget.
Good morning, Mother.
Are you still enjoying the snow?
I've got PJs on underneath this.
PJs?
Yeah. I'm ready to feed the animals and going.
Well, it is technically a snow day.
Oh. Ready for another day?
I think I might need my bigger coat on. Morning, Ets!
I started school, I completely forgot about it.
You just started school.
I did, I got my laptop, the charger, and I just started like working.
Follow me out, down to the bay. Forget all the worries when you're with me. Let every wave.
Ets, it's actually starting to snow more. It's actually, since we came out, it's now actually snowing more. And it's not Daddy.
And we still haven't eaten that pizza that's in the freezer.
And it might be a pizza day.
I've got you on camera, you can't back out of that now.
I'm stuck in the snow, I need hauling up. I'm in
I
his.
just roll across the snow if I need to get anywhere. Because I sink so much. It's like up to here now over there.
Do you think Daddy will pull me out?
No, he's probably going to cover me in snow.
We'll misbehave, stay up till late, share all our secrets as we let go. No more illusions, no more standing still. Our love fusion will never cease to thrill. Ooh.
Marcus. This is a joyous occasion. This is why we moved here.
Yay!
You're loving it.
Loving it, loving it, loving it. Excuse me.
The doodah. Right, what appears to be the problem?
Well, this has obviously had problems before because someone's already taken this plate off. But when you pull the lever to make it go forward, it pulls that plate up like that, which engages this drive wheel. That drive wheel does need replacing. That's well worn. But this is a problem here.
Ah, train's off. Yeah.
But it's shut off.
Yeah.
Because that's not supposed to do that.
Oh, that's not supposed to do that. Okay.
So that pin has come out of there. And I don't know if that's supposed to be a shear pin or just a roll pin.
Okay.
But that's definitely off. So change that bolt because that bolt sheared. So I've changed that and now it's working again. So we can get back to it.
Hey Joe, what do you think of this much snow? What? Yeah?
That's sorted.
Hi.
This is my story, raised in a small town trying to burn out in glory. Yeah, I never quite grasped it, this world that was my surroundings. My heart screamed out for more. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each morning while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go.
I think the snowblower stopped going forwards again, so it might be the chain issue again. There's a tiny bit to clear just behind the car. Apart from that, it's pretty good. It doesn't appear to be blowing too much. I think we've got a bit of ice rain coming through, so the banks that we do have, hopefully it will just cement it so it doesn't blow anywhere. Looks like a lot more has come off the roof. Yes. Oh good, it still looks like our path's alright. We're about to go out for round 2. Clear the rest of the stuff behind the grey car and dig out the post boxes, hopefully. But yeah, more has come off the roof.
But first, coffee.
The same somehow. I'm sure I made progress. Still I feel this hunger, like the journey just begun. It's the storm inside that's breaking my heart each morning while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go. It's the storm inside. Oh, that's breaking my heart each moment while it keeps it going. It's been driving my life into both joy and sorrow, and there's still a long way to go.
You standing on the only warm bit?
Seriously, every single cushion that belongs to me.
Georgie! Hey baby! Hey baby!
Yeah, Hammer,
Hello?
out the sheds, please.
Hello?
And
What's the problem now, Marcus?
same thing again.
Same thing again. Don't drink my coffee. Come on, George! Yay! He's gonna beat you.
That repair that we did earlier, that's broken again. So it sheared that bolt. Right, move my hands out of the way. It sheared that bolt again. I'm doing it loose because I don't want to break the axle.
Can you get a stronger material?
Well, I don't know as I want to. If it's a shear bolt, I want to keep it
Shearable.
shearable. It obviously broke because it was under load.
I suppose if you've got a supply of them, it doesn't matter, does it really?
Now, I'll find someone who's got a supply of bolts.
Well, it's easier than shoveling.
It is actually, isn't it?
Yeah. It's alright if there's a little bit, I don't mind. But, like, there's no way
I
we'll...
was worried that those nuts come undone, but it's actually snapped the bolt, so I've proven.
Maybe the chicken's got better conversation. Hey! Hello? That chicken is not white! tea outside. We're in the middle of removing snow from the deck.
Snowmageddon 2024.
Snowmageddon, yes. So have a nice cup of tea. We just opened up our coffee shop and posted those out the window. We've been taking the snow off here, and yeah, it's high at the back, especially with the drifts. So this is clear, but it's not there. Oh well, at least the deck shouldn't collapse tonight.